It's 3 in the morning. I've got 9 more hours till I'm back in New York. I've got a bum leg, and I'm hoping to ski all weekend. I just pulled my hamstring babies.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record,
It's been a long morning, and I haven't eaten much. Except carrots. I think I've had enough carrots. Well, I'm busting over to Vermont right now. I'm making my way up to Reichert Nordic Center for the skate relays up in Middlebury, Vermont. I'm definitely gonna miss the women go off, so sorry ladies. I do love and support each and every one of you, but I'm getting old. I need my beauty sleep. I think the extra 20 minutes in bed really did wonders. So, but I'll be there in time for the men, so that'll be exciting, and I'll make up for it with some pretty heavy cheering. These muggers and all this guy's shots. Here we go.
for the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record,
Oh boy!
Dude, this is hard, man. It's like,
What's up, Bridget? Good, how are you? Thank you.
We touch, we break, make it seem like
Thank
we
you.
feel the
Yeah, give me a hug.
same. We love what we hate.
I've heard you've been having a good year.
We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, I love you. Well, we fell apart just in time.
Let's go!
You said at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. I drive from your place. Kiss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game.
Let's go, Buck, let's go!
I will call all your bluff.
Come on, boys.
'Cause using bodies
let's
isn't
go.
good enough. Slow down.
Get
and
on
say
him.
love.
Come on, Salo, you got this, you
But
got
we
this!
fell apart just in time.
Do you have something to say? Is it rhyme with?
I remember why I quit the sport.
Let's go, boys.
At least it was worth the try.
Yeah! Let's go, Buck! Woo! Up, up, up!
At least it was worth the try.
Let's go, Adam!
We keep playing games.
Away,
Can't go
UVM.
separate ways. Break up all the same.
Let's go, Salo!
We keep
let's go, come on.
playing
Up, up, up.
games.
Get some speed,
Can't
get
go
some speed.
separate ways. Break up all
Let's
the
go, let's go! Woo!
same.
Now let's go,
But
Clark.
we fell apart just in time.
Let's go, Adam! Woo!
Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try.
Let's go, Jake!
At least it was worth the try.
Out of the way, guys. Keep it up. Yeah, let's go, let's go.
At least it was worth the try.
Let's go, let's go. Yeah, UVM, let's go. Woo! That looks like you, man.
Yep, spread those legs, dude.
Woo! Let's go, Clarkson. Hop, hop. Nice. go! Hop, 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 hop! Woo! Attaboy! Woo! Go, go, go! It's right on you! Alright, I've got my fire extinguisher at the ready, and I'm prepared for some pushback. I truly believe Nordic skiing is the hardest sport out there. No, I do not think it is more physically challenging than open water swimming. It is still physically difficult, obviously. It takes a better part of a year to get in shape for one short season. But that is not the only aspect I'm thinking about. It's the technicality of it. You could spend a lifetime trying to develop and perfect the technique, form, skills, and unique strength that is required of this sport. That is why, at any point in your life, even in old age, even in poor physical health, as long as you can stand on some skis, you can return to this sport with some improvements.